over and flip. Da, 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 and flip. Da, 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 and flip. There's only two of those. This one comes on your hip. This one's going to flip, up, hip, flip, up, hip, flip, up, hip, flip, up, hip.
And the gentlemen do the same thing the girls do here, so you're right on.
So we're going to go. Just the E's again. 1, 2, 3, and flip. 1, 2, 3, take it across. Across, and across, flip it, across, and across, and. Okay? And for now, we'll probably change the hips. But right now, all we're going to do is walk on it. So we're going to go. Da, 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 da. Watch the EE go across, okay? Now, then there's take your okole back, take that back, take the ami back.
On the dun, your butt should be towards the back. Dun. Yeah?
Right, two on the right, two on the left, right? Right arm, right arm, right arm, right arm, left arm, left arm. EE stands up. Try the break again.
And try not to drop your arms.
I don't want to hit everybody.
Don't go
So it just goes right? Yeah. Okay. All right? From the beginning. 3, flip them. They've got to flip. 1, 2, 3, and flip. Then this one goes here. This has got to be a flip and across, a flip to you and across, a flip and down, and a flip and down. Okay? It's got to be a flip. Flip to you and take it across. Flip to you and take it across. Flip to you. Put the other one on your hip. Flip to you and take it across.
Okay, real quick. One that slow part.
First line.
But everyone. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bum, 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 bum.